So for us to understand the irrigation system, we really need the history of the utilities. We have to remember that when Paver developed South Bay, there were no water, sewer, or irrigation water here. And so he had to build the facilities. This is the map of what was built. This represents US 41. This is South Bay Drive, the marina, and the treatment plant. What he had to do was he had to build, first of all, a drinking water system. He drilled 15 wells in the community that pumped water to a water treatment plant that was located right behind the shopping center here. And it distributed the water then to the houses and to the fire hydrants, just like a typical system. Then in addition to that, he had to build a wastewater system. He had to take care of the waste. The darker lines represent the sewers that come from our houses to sewage lift stations that pumped it up to a wastewater treatment plant that was located on the same property as the water treatment plant. The water was treated and went two places. It went to the absorption fields, which are affectionately called the football fields. And then in addition to that, it was treated to a standard to use for irrigation. The irrigation plant, which we're standing next to here, was built, and it was built right next to the water treatment plant. In the 1990s, the county had water and sewer available to the area. At that time, they took over the water and sewer systems. They eliminated the wells and they eliminated the water treatment plant and connected to the county main line. In addition, the sewers were available, so the wastewater treatment plant was eliminated, and so instead of pumping to the wastewater plant, these pump stations pump to the county wastewater system. But the county doesn't do irrigation water as a part of their business. They do some things there, but when it really boils down to it, they didn't want to have anything to do with the irrigation system. And fortunately, our forefathers that were living here made arrangements with the developer and the county where we purchased the system. We purchased this tank, we purchased the irrigation distribution system. The irrigation distribution system from the tank here goes through the whole community like this and is located on all of the green belts and to the clubhouse and everything. And when we took that over and paid about $1 million for it, that is a system that we have here today.